Hi, I'm Michael GNANDT, the Marketing and Sales Administrator here at ITB. We are providing mobile workspaces as a company. We help people get to their jobs safely, securely. We power the tools they need. We help them do the jobs they need to in the most effective and efficient way possible. Our customers come from a wide range of industries. We're happy to service people from the transportation industry to industries like first response and law enforcement. We take the customer's needs and their specs into consideration, and we form something with the brilliant minds we have in the design team to create the ultimate vehicle that's going to serve their needs and help them do their job. From there, we go straight to the bones of the build. We use an all-steel frame. We then go to work on our panels. Our patented snap block systems are rugged and robust, and they take a pummeling, and they have an unparalleled durability factor. Our customers go with us from start to finish, and we're with them every step of the way in order to get exactly what they need in their hands and surpass their expectations.
My name is Ben GREGORASH. I'm in charge of electrical design here at ITB. I think the thing that has impressed me most about the Samlex product line is the amount of equipment that they've got. From battery chargers to inverter chargers, they just run the gambit for everything that you could want for electrical. So I'd say my favorite unit would be the Evo 3012. You can mesh together a generator, shoreline, with a 150 amp battery charger and a transfer switch built in. It just makes everything easy for design. Here in southern Alberta, it's a no-brainer to put solar on your vehicle. Whether it's in storage or on the road, it's going to keep your batteries topped up and keep them from freezing.
My name is Joshua DeGroot. I am the production manager here at ITB. We have grown to 3 shops here on our property. With our new 8 bays of production space and service space, we can more fully meet our customers' needs on time and on budget. Have a dedicated team of staff who have grown up with the company, and they pride themselves in giving the customer the same quality they expected, whether they bought a unit 30 years ago, 20 years ago, or yesterday.
My name's Nate Marwa. I am the Parts and Service Manager at ITB Coaldale. So whether we're looking at a service truck or an RV, our customers are looking to ITB to provide the best equipment that is going to stand up over the test of time, that's going to stand up to the elements, and that is going to be easy for our team to install. So as Parts and Service Manager, I oversee the warranty department, and to date we have not had a warranty claim on a Samlex product.